I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake parfait. First, gather your essential ingredients: cream cheese, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. Next, create your delicious crumb base by combining crushed graham crackers with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Finally, ensure your cream cheese mixture is properly chilled for at least 30 minutes. This helps it firm up nicely for layering. Now, let's craft that irresistible creamy filling. Start by beating 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of sugar until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 1 cup of freshly whipped heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This careful folding ensures your mixture remains light and airy, giving your parfait that perfect, delicate texture. Time to assemble your beautiful parfaits. Begin by alternating layers of your crunchy graham cracker crumbs with generous dollops of the creamy cheesecake filling. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding fresh berries or a delightful fruit compote between layers. Finish each parfait with a final dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of extra crumbs for a professional touch. Your cheesecake parfaits are almost ready. Place them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow them to set completely, ensuring a firm and delightful dessert. Before serving, you can garnish them with fresh mint leaves or delicate chocolate shavings for an elegant presentation. For those who love easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious cheesecake parfaits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.